Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Anawat and I welcome all of you again in the series of averages. I hope you are learning and enjoying and you are trying to apply the shortcuts also. Now in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about correcting the error. Okay, that means by mistake, if anybody has counted a number by mistake, he has wrongly read the number and counted that and calculated the average. If you correct that number, then what will be the difference in the average, or what will be the new average? So correcting the error, that's what we are going to discuss in today's class. So let me read one question for you and then make you understand what's happening here. So here, let's say this question: the average score of a class having 20 students for science subject was initially calculated as 78. Initially, this was the average calculated. Upon receiving the grades, who realizes the class teacher, okay, or let's say it was noticed that 85 and 62 were accidentally entered as 58 and 26 respectively. What is the correct average score of the science test, okay, class test? This is what we need to find out right now. So you have the total number of observations, you have the average, you got the wrong, you identified the wrong entries also, and you know the right entries also. You need to find the correct average. This is what we are going to discuss in this video. So now understand, when you are going to correct it, so you have to remove the wrong ones, right? Remove the wrong ones and then you need to add the right one, okay, and then again you have to calculate the average, so divide by number of values, right? In a way, if you get such kind of question correcting the errors of the observation, so you can say correction in average is equal to correction in sum, note it down, correction in sum by number of observations, right? Note this down. Correction in average is equal to correction in sum divided by number of observations. Okay, this will make your life easy for such question. But for every formula, first you need to identify the type of question, then only you will be able to apply, or then only you will be able to think that which formula has to be applied. Now see this. So correcting, now first of all you need to understand which is the wrong and which is the right. So notice that 85 and 62 were accidentally entered as 58 and 26. So these are the wrong ones. Which are the wrong ones? The red one. I am marking with the red color. These are entered. So first we need to take them out. Yeah, 58, right? And then 58, take it out, which actually was how much? 85. We need to add. Okay, what are we doing? Correcting the sum, correcting the observation. So correcting the sum, we are taking from, imagine the series which you have added, the numbers which you have added, you're taking out this and then adding the other one. So correcting the sum, right? Then you also removed 26 and added what? 62. Did you understand? So this is your correction in sum in this particular case. You remove the wrong one and add the new one. You remove the wrong one and add the new one. Okay, and divided by number of observations. If you do this, this will be correction in sum. Sorry, correction in average. This is not the average. This is correction in average. I hope this is clear to you. This is correction in average, right? So tell me, what is the difference? Yes, if you do minus 58 plus 85 plus, let's put this into the bracket, yeah, then plus, then you have taken minus 26 plus 62. Yeah, you do this. Yeah, what do you get? The correction in sum is 63. That's the correction in sum, right? So correction in average will be 63 by 20. If you divide 63 by 20, what will you get? Tell me, what will you get? Yeah, that is 31.5, but with 0, we'll say 3.5. Now this is a positive number. Understand, this is it's a positive number. No sign, right? There is no negative sign, so it's a positive number. Now this is correction in sum. That's correction in average. If correction in sum is positive, then correction in average should also be positive. Positive means what? Whatever was the average you calculated, now you do the correction in that with what? Plus 3.15. Did you understand plus sign? Why plus sign? Because when you simplified, you got plus 63, right? So if correction in sum is positive, then you need to increase the average to correct it. Yeah, you need to add in the average to correct it. So the actual average is equal to this, which is what? 81.5. That's the actual average, right? Okay, great, very good. Let's apply the same correction in average in this question. Go through the question. Yeah, question look little lengthy, but honestly it's not. Okay, this is just to improvise your reading speed also. So read this. Yes, pause the video, read the question, try solving this. So the question is, during a week-long camping trip, Sarah kept track of daily high temperatures. The initial average high temperature for the week was calculated as 72. So this was the average calculated, right? Okay, that's in Fahrenheit. Okay. Later she realized that she had accidentally entered the temperature as 88. So is 88 wrong entry or correct entry? Yes, that's correct. That's wrong entry. Accidentally entered. So this is wrong entry. Okay, so this we are going to take out from the sum. Average equal to sum of values by number of values. So she must have added all the temperatures, right? So from that addition, she has to take out this 88 and then she has to add what? 80 over there. Correct the value and then correction in sum. The next correction is what? And for Wednesday temperature as 52 instead of 67. So 52 is the wrong one. Take it out. And 67 is the correct one. Add this up. Correction in sum divided by number of values. So it's a week long trip, right? So 7 days week, correct? This will be correction in average. Correction in average. So simplify. -8 plus this will be what? You have minus, so that will be 5 and this is 1, so it's 15. Now 15 minus 8 by 7, that is nothing but 7 by 7, that is 1. Isn't it positive? Yeah, it's positive, right? So correction in average is positive. That means whatever was the average earlier, 72, now plus 1, so correct average will be 73. Correct average is actually 73. Correct average is 73. Did you get it? In case if you get this minus, for example, if had this 15 been negative and 8 been positive, you would have got -1. In that case, correction is in average is -1. So whatever was the average, you do it -1. That will be your answer. Okay. Here because it is positive, so we do what? Whatever was the average, we do +1 in that. So we got the correct average. All right. So this is correcting the error while doing the sum, right? While considering the observations. Okay. So this is it in today's video. I hope you found this concept pretty easy. And in the next video, we are going to practice some random questions. So Stay tuned. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.